Hi, in a previous video, we explained the active color mixing technology of the FA17C, which delivers higher coloration on enhanced color light effects. Today, let's break down the coil technical breakthrough that enables the fixture to achieve such a remarkable boost in the brightness. The FA17C utilizes the latest generation of high-efficiency LED modules, significantly boosts the luminous flexing density of the individual chip. It achieves seamless synergies between the light source and the optical system, overcoming the efficiency limitation inherent in traditional optical links. At a distance of 20 meters, it delivers luminance of up to 7,900 lux. Furthermore, through intelligent color management algorithms, it resolves the long-standing dilemma of having to sacrifice color quality for the sake of brightness. By improving precise internal algorithms, the FA17C maximizes the light output while maintaining a color rendering. In short, the FA17C employs cutting-edge, full-spectrum light source technology to reconcile the age-old conflict between brightness and color quality. For theaters, television, audios, and high-end light performance that demand the ultimate visuals, the FA17C is more than just a lighting fixture. It is a magic of lighting.